Let's say you have generated a machine learning model. Now, how do you leverage this machine learning model in an agentic way? So here you will need a scoring agent. So this agent has got an access to a large language model, which is going to help the agent understand the user request in natural language, and then it has also got access to some tools. So these tools are basically Python functions which are going to leverage the machine learning model, and they are going to make some predictions. Now let us see on how this tool looks like. So here I have a tool which takes as an input the machine learning model name, as well as it also takes as an input the data set on which we want to make the prediction. So first of all, it is going to load the model, it is going to load the data, as well as it is also then going to make the predictions. And these predictions, as well as the probability of the prediction, is the return of this function. Now let us also see list of different training models which are available, and here you can see that I have different models to predict churn for customers. So churn is to predict if the customer is going to stay or it is going to leave, and I can make these predictions using different algorithms. So for example, I have a model which is predicting churn using gradient boosting, or it is predicting churn using logistic regression, and I have also other models for predicting churn. Now let us see on how to leverage this model and the agent to make actual predictions. So here you can see that you can pass this prompt to the agent that using the data set for a telecommunication customer for which I want to predict if customers are going to stay or leave, I am telling the agent to score it using the churn gradient boosting model. So the agent is going to use the tool which I have shown you earlier, and then it is going to make a prediction for each and every line in the data set, and it is going to come out with this prediction if the customer is going to leave or not. So let us look at the prediction which has been generated. So here you see list of customers, and then at the end you also see the predictions which predicts if the customer is going to leave or not. In addition, you also see the probability of the prediction. So this is very useful because the agent is automatically using the machine learning trained model, and it is going to give you an output of all the predictions which are very necessary for any business.